Hello kids, welcome to the channel. Today we will be making number blocks 1 to 10 with rough one. And look, there are so many colorful blocks, the faceplates and the numberlings. So let's get started. So first is our number block 1. We have to take one number, red color block, put the faceplate and numberling, and it's easy. Number block 1 is done. And here's rough one taking two orange color cubes, put in the faceplate and numberling, and then number block 2 is done. Isn't it so much fun? All right, now number 3 we have to make. We're gonna put or stack the yellow cubes together, put the faceplate and the juggling plate. There is one extra plate here, faceplate and juggling plate, and the numberling here, number 3, and our number block 3 is ready. Okay, now next move on to number 4. Number 4 is green in color, so we're going to take 4 green cube or blocks and then stack them in a square manner and put the faceplate and the mouth, eyes and mouth, and put our numberling, and our number block 4 is ready. Our next number is number 5. So see how rough one is counting them, 1 2 3 4 5. So we take 5 blocks and we stack them together, put the faceplate and make a rectangle, number block 5. Put the numberling, of course, and all of a sudden he decided, okay, no, it's not going to be a tall rectangle, it's going to be a little step squad with 3 and 2. So he made the little step squad with 3 and 2, number 5. And this is number block 6, putting all the face plates, the dices, and face and numberling, and our rectangular shape number block 6 is ready. So the next number in Numberland is number block 7, which is the most colorful number in the Numberland. So we stack red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, purple, and indigo on top of each other, and then put the faceplate and then numberling, and our number block 7 is ready. Thank you, Rafwan. Okay, he's fixing 6 again. Okay, that's fine. So the next number is number block 8. 8 is an octoblock, which is magenta in color. So we take 4 blocks and stack vertically together and make a rectangle 8. Okay, so it is one of the wonderful block in the Numberland which has like 8 arms, and it has got big, very big eyes. So look at the eyes that Rafwan is putting together or stacking together. So that's one eye, and I don't know why he's stacking in the opposite way, but that's fine. He fixed it. Okay, so that's the eye of number block 8. And the next we put the mouth of the number block 8. And meanwhile, you can tell me or let me know which one is your favorite number block. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10? Mine is number 7 because it's very, very colorful. All right, so let's move on. That's number block 9. 9 is a square. It is 3 by 3, and it's a cube as well. And our phone is making number 9 with the dark shade and gray, light shades of gray. He's stacking the faces, the eyes, and the mouth, and the numberling as well. And our number block 9 is ready. Thank you so much for making it so easy and showing us, Rafwan. Alrighty. So let's go to the last number, that is number block 10, and he's counting it. That's nice. So you take 5 blocks and add it vertically with another 5 blocks, white blocks. He's having some trouble in just, stacking it because these blocks are sometimes very hard to, put on. And now he's putting the eyes of number block 10 and also the numberling on top of it. And he has to put the mouth. And that's our number block 10 is ready. So that's all our number block from 1 to 10, and he just showed you how to make it. Now it's time for playing with the card. So I'm still figuring out how to play with this, and Arafan is just showing you how to, cross the lines, play with number block 8. He just started with number block 8. He's crossing it, and that's it. Okay, let's do some math now. Tell me what is 2 plus 3.
easy.
2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, let's do another one. What is 6 plus 3? 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay. What is 5 plus 2?
That's easy.
That's easy.
Yeah.
7. Okay. What is 8 plus 1?
That's easy.
That's easy too.
Easy is a ball.
1 plus 8, 8 plus 1 equals 9. Okay.
That's easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Okay, let's do something with 4. What is 4 plus 6?
That's a big number.
4 plus 6 equals 10. Okay, 2 by 5 is how much?
25.
Can you put the 5 here? Okay, you got the result first. Okay, so 2 by 5 is 10. Now tell me what is 2 by 3?
2 by 3 is
2
easy.
times 3
2.
is
Huh.
6.
Don't tell me.
Okay. What is 2 times 4?
2 times 4. Oh, I know.
8. 2 times 4 is, okay, let's put the 2 here. 2 times 4 is
8.
8. What is... Okay, let's go to 3 times table. What is 3 times 2?
That's easy.
Yes, 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, I think that's enough. Say bye-bye, Numberblocks.
Favorite number block.